Welcome to the Crypto Law Weekly. Big news. On July 18th, President Trump signed the Genius Act into law, marking the first comprehensive regulation for stablecoins. Starting in 2027, every stablecoin issuer will be subject to Bank Secrecy Act laws. That means they're going to have to fully KYC every person that wants to use a stablecoin. Only banks can issue stablecoins, and they have to be backed either by US dollars or T-bills. So essentially, customer deposits in stablecoins will be funding the government debt. This isn't just regulation, it's the infrastructure for a digital dollar future.
This week, Marathon Fusion, a Silicon Valley-based startup, released a research report claiming that it can turn mercury into gold using nuclear fusion. The company claims that they can produce, in theory, 5,000 kilograms of gold yearly per gigawatt plant, totaling over $550 million. By bombarding Mercury 198 with neutrons, it becomes Mercury 197, which slowly decays into stable gold 197 in just a matter of days. However, some gold may remain radioactive, which would then need up to 18 years of storage for it to become usable. While many thought a shock to the gold supply might come from an asteroid, it seems like alchemy is back on the table. Whatever the case, Marathon Fusion's promise could shake commodity markets by increasing the price of gold, while Bitcoin's $21 million cap remains intact and unthreatened. Be sure to stay tuned for more crypto legal updates from Hodder Law.
SEC Chaos Alert. On July 22nd, the SEC approved Bitwise's 10 crypto index, which included coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. And then just hours later, they reversed it, put it on pause, said they needed further review. With no explanation given, this kind of flip-flop just exposes the SEC's completely arbitrary approach to crypto. We had higher hopes of this new administration. As for the price, next Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm predicting $122.22. Here's why. The Genius Act has a major bullish tailwind. Bank of America, an institution that spent the last decade debanking a lot of my clients, just put out a forecast that it expects up to $75 billion to be pumped into the stablecoin market by 2030. That will no doubt have some positive impact on Bitcoin too. Generally, it's every 9 cents in stablecoin for every dollar in Bitcoin. The charts are looking nice. Bitcoin just broke out of a wedge. It topped 120K. The RSI is looking good. It's at 74. No indication that we're at the top yet. The institutions are still buying. We had major ETF inflows again last week. Coinbase just announced a partnership with PNC Bank, and sentiment across X is calling for 130K by August 1st. So what do you think of my prediction? 122.22, higher or lower? Make sure to take the poll and let us know in the comments. Have a great week.